किचन का जो काम है वो हो गया है कंप्लीट।
And you guys must have noticed I'm playing with this Legos past 2 days.
हाँ, and still not completed.
And still not complete.
तो बात ये है ना, whenever I am in the kitchen, she always come with me and she want to be in the kitchen standing, मतलब कि अपनी जो green chair है वो लेके she will be there. So anyways, जो you must have already noticed that we already had a maid. कल जो मैंने vlog बनाया था उसमें maid को आपने देखा होगा, she was cleaning the house and all that stuff, लेकिन आज maid नहीं है, उसका reason मैं बताती हूँ। सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू गाइज मस्ट हैव ऑलरेडी सीन, मैंने 2 दिन पहले एक व्लॉग बनाया था जिसमें कि मैंने बताया था कि द वे शी वॉज क्लीनिंग। तो 2 दिन उसके बाद शी नेवर केम द सेकेंड डे एंड द रीजन वाई शी सेड इज शी वेंट फॉर वैक्सीन, सो वी जस्ट इग्नोर्ड इट एंड दैट वाज फाइन। तो टुडे शी केम, उसने क्लीनिंग स्टार्ट की। क्लीनिंग स्टार्ट करने के बाद मैंने नोटिस किया कि बहुत जगह पर ना ऐसे डस्ट फैला हुआ था। देन आई टोल्ड हर दैट दिस इज, आई शोड हर, इनफैक्ट नॉट टोल्ड हर ऑल्सो, आई शोड हर द वे टू क्लीन, लाइक यू नो। तो जब मैंने निकाला कचरा पूरे घर से, इतना ज्यादा आया, इतना ज्यादा आया, कांट इवन टेल यू गाइस। कैन यू बिलीव व्हाट दैट मेड डिड? शी नेवर इवन सेड एनी वर्ड टू मी, जस्ट शी सेड मैडम यू आर क्लीनिंग, आई एम लीविंग, and she took her bag and she left, and we are wondering what happened. So anyways, I don't like very bad cleaning. I like cleaning should be a very good and it should be hygienic, which was not by that lady. I tried to give her maximum chances, but she I think don't want it, and she wanted to do the work how she like to do, but it will not work for me. Anyways, आज है बहुत ही important day and that is Hetam's storytelling competition.
And I'm in the finals.
And he is in the finals and today 4 o'clock he have a storytelling competition. और सुबह 8 बजे से हम लोग उठे हुए हैं and 8 बजे से हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, we are just waiting for balloon bouncing क्योंकि sports चालू है Zoom पर। Can you guys imagine sports on Zoom? Yes, that's already done and tomorrow is, नहीं, today was the cup stacking, tomorrow is the balloon bouncing.
See, how many
So
cups I have?
we had to bring all of these yesterday night. तो कल इसीलिए मैंने vlog वगैरह नहीं किया, बहुत सारे काम थे कल। Actually cleaning में मेरे लिए कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, I just love cleaning। क्लीनिंग जो है ना वो अप टू द मार्क होनी चाहिए, मतलब कि मैं जैसे क्लीन करती हूँ ना तो आई लाइक द क्लीनिनेस टू बी दैट वे, बिकॉज एज यू गाइज ऑलरेडी नो माई किड्स हैव एलर्जिक प्रॉब्लम, डस्ट एलर्जिक प्रॉब्लम। तो मैं हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज क्लीन एंड यू नो फॉरगेट अबाउट क्लीनिंग। दिस वाज जस्ट लाइक अ मॉपिंग, स्वीपिंग का थिंग था, तो स्वीपिंग वाज नॉट डन प्रॉपर, तो डेफिनेटली हाउस विल बी ऑलवेज डस्टी। सो मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि आई एम टू डू द क्लीनिंग फॉर सम डेज and see how it's going to work. अगर होता है तो मेरे से मैं I'm not going to hire any maid over here, because over here what I am noticing is the maids are not that clean and they are not doing the clean work. The maids who are working with me so many days or years almost, I am going to bring them over here, but not every day, it is not possible because they stay very far. So we are going to bring them every week and make them clean the house. Meanwhile मैं अपना काम करूँ. This is what I have decided. Let's see up to when it will work.
So I hope so. I'm sure that my mom will be so tired of cleaning, cooking all the time. It's just like how I was small. When I was small, Mama used to not have any helper.
Yeah, and I used to do all the work by myself, because why I used to not allow anybody to come in my house is just because I don't like anybody entering in the house. I was very
And
much like possessive about my
taking
kids.
me.
Taking care of touching.
Even nobody can touch even me for
I
a
was
second.
like that. But anyways, that's old stories and I took good care of him and he is perfectly fine. And now this girl
So then Mama's making balloon for Hannah. What? Did you just see that? Do it again, Mama.
Are you happy? Bye.
That big balloon looks same as the red balloon.
Yeah, I made the small.
Mark and Daniel says, Mama.
Hannah wants camera and she says mine. Okay, she actually wants camera back. You really want camera, Nana? You said you want bag, no? Hi, Hannah.
Hey, Mama, perfectly.
She's holding it perfectly and she's holding like that. Hannah's favorite song. आज ना मैंने क्या बनाया है, सब्जी बनाई है, सब्जी विच इज मिक्स सब्जी। हेतम को सब्जियां पसंद नहीं है, ही लाइक्स नॉन वेज, तो ही से She don't want to eat only this. He want to eat पापड़ now. और हमारे घर में है इलेक्ट्रिक गैस, मतलब कि यहाँ पे चूल्हा नहीं जलता है, तो रोस्ट I cannot do. तो this is something which I'm going to try for the first time on the electric gas. पता नहीं चलेगा या नहीं. तो let's fry some पापड़ on the electric gas. पता नहीं ये चलेगा या नहीं, but I'm going to try for the first time.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Just for my love. तो ये है हमारा पापड़. I'm going to roast it on this. अभी पता नहीं है रोस्ट होगा या क्या होगा, but I'm going to try it. Let's see. ये थोड़ा सा गरम है. I feel it's going to roast क्योंकि ये हीट नहीं है, लेकिन गरम तो है. रोस्ट करने के लिए गरम ही चाहिए.
So hot.
I feel it's possible, but this is first time I'm trying. And if my husband sees this, he will be so happy that papad roasting can be done on this electric gas as well. It is happening. It is happening.
I know that. I can see it with my 2 big eyes.
You have 2 big eyes?
Yeah.
2 big eyes, eh? Yeah, and it's happening.
How much
Wow, that's awesome. Amazing.
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 Fantastic.
And guys, yes, it is possible that पापड़ जो है हमारा हो गया है perfectly roast without any problem. लेकिन थोड़ा सा time लगा. Maybe because I'm doing it first time, I don't have much of idea. Wow, it's so crispy. But is it roasted perfect? Look at Hannah. I don't want to try everything.
What a papad.
What a papad. Papad is not cooked by me. It's just roasted by me on the electric gas for the first time. And Hetam's new way of eating food along with papad. Papad is spoon. When you don't have a non-veg, you must learn how to eat veg. No, Nanu, from Hetam. And here, Hannah, the naughty girl, you have to bite. You have to bite. It is around 3:30 or exactly 4 o'clock. Hetam is having a storytelling competition. और Hannah के साथ बहुत difficult होता है. जब कुछ really important होता है तो Hannah के साथ really difficult होता है, क्योंकि suddenly she starts, मतलब कि you know kids, so that's why they start screaming. Sometimes they start playing and suddenly they go in the middle. तो इसी वजह से I put her to sleep and now I'm gonna make them ready. And exactly at 4 o'clock we have to attend the class so that Hetam going to have his storytelling competition perfectly. And he have done, मतलब कि एक दिन में 2 पेजेस, एक दिन में भी नहीं, 2 घंटे में 1-2 पेजेस स्टडी करना फॉर अ 7 years old child. Not a problem for him, but you know, if you tell me to study, definitely we will take little time. So it was really good. In just 2 hours he prepared himself. हाँ, definitely थोड़ा सा इधर उधर मैंने थोड़ा सा सिखा दिया है. Competition.
With lip balm or whatever it's called. I'm gonna join my story competition.
One time practice. So when competition is going on, don't think that there is somebody in front of you. Just think that no one is in front of you. You're just looking at mama and just talking to mama and telling all the story in your own way, like, you know, in your.
I hope I win the competition.
Don't worry, you just try your best. I'm sure you will win.
I'll try my very best.
So we are trying to set up the camera. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What's
Mindful. Hello teachers and my dear friends. My name is Hetam D'Souza and I'm from Junior 2C. Today I would like to share a story.
They have to give it to somebody. That's it.
now only balloon challenge is remaining.
For them also they gave same.
I will win the competition.
What is this?
I brought shawarma for Baba.
Seriously? Baba, you are the winner and take this shawarma.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, he did his best and I'm proud of you.
Then it is a problem.
Hetam already finished his competition and we are so proud of him. That finally he got shawarmas. Yeah? What is this?
Abdullah.
Acha. I thought daddy bought gift for me. Hey, seriously, this is awesome, man. This is the gift my husband got from his office.
Ramadan family gift.
For family gifts. And I think we should start using this. The last time we never used this one.
Correct already.
Yeah, that's okay. That must be. चलो चाय बनाते हैं, चाय पीते हैं. Wow, it's dates, man. Amazing. You want it?
Yeah.
That's our dinner. Hetam's favorite fish. Which is the fish?
This is fish.
Hamur, sorry. The fish name is hamur with french fries and broccoli. He's going to try it along with the fish. You have to bite and then fish.
Wait.
Good, right? And Hannah is come over here. She want to try too. Yummy.
Fish and fried rice. Can't believe how much I love it.